Hello YouTubers, we are here again with John Craftman, and I'm going to show you another thing to make for your Robo Hamster. So pretty much here is a box. So you just need a box and flaps and tissue paper and so you need a box, tissue paper, tape, and a carton tube. So first what you have to do to the box is make a hole, but make it big enough for the carton tube to stick in, but not too big. Then you have to tape the carton tube in, but like on the outside. Then you have to put all the flaps in, so make sure that there is space to put the flaps in. Then all the flaps in except for the other one, this one. Then you have to take tissue paper and put it in, and then close the flap, and then give it to your Robo Hamster, and he's pretty much gonna climb up here and enter here, and he's gonna dig and everything, and he's gonna pretty much have fun. But make sure so if he comes out, and to not let him fall, and also if he stays too much in, you have to check on him, because he might eat on the paper, but just check on him. But leave this mostly down, because they like to be by themselves, not be stared at and everything. See you on my other videos. Bye.